Waiting my turn. All of the L's I took or lessons I learned. Success, it gotta be earned. Tell me why they sleeping on me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. I know I've been gone for a while, and that's just because I have been working, but I've also been just taking a mental break, really, just from everything. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll notice that I haven't been posting on there either for the last couple of weeks. I've also been working on some new project ideas that we want to, do in the near future. So yeah, and just overall just taking time for myself. So today right now I'm gonna be going through a collage. I'm just gonna show you guys some pictures of some units that I recently created for clients. And then the rest of the video is just gonna be me creating this unit right here, this curly bob unit, and another curly bob unit, because I actually was making two at the same time. They're pretty much the same, just styled a little differently, and I'll post those pictures at the end, of course. But this video is just gonna basically just be me sewing, just for those that like to just watch just sewing, hand movements, positioning, and things like that. I know I looked for those videos when I was learning how to sew, so they are very helpful to just pay attention to just how somebody's just moving and just sewing. I did throw some text in just to keep you, so you know exactly what I'm doing. And I do have some other content that I want to put out, so I'm going to work on that and editing that and getting that posted up. But I just wanted to just come back and just, since it's been so been so long, and we have gained a lot of new subscribers. We're over 800 subscribers. I thank you guys so much for that. I appreciate that. As long as you guys keep liking these videos, subscribing to the channel, I'll keep posting them. Because knowing that it's helping somebody, that's what I'm here for. That's what this channel is about. And I'm going to, like I said, put that content out. And for now, you guys can just watch me create this curly bob. And yeah, thank you so much. And as always, I hope you guys pick up something and learn something from this video. And until next time.